Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be doing a wide-legged forward fold. The benefits are incredible. It's incredible for toning and sculpting your abs, it aids in weight loss, and it's really great for your digestion. It's also great as it opens up the hips. It also soothes the mind and brain, calming mild depression and anxiety. Remember to take your time to breathe consciously and deeply in this position. Relax. Feel the benefits. It's soothing your central nervous system. This helps to calm my mind so much. It literally puts you in a whole new headspace if you take like 6 deep breaths whilst you're in this position. It also helps to tone your abs, and it really helps to improve your digestion, helping your body to get rid of toxins quicker, boosting your body's immune system. It also can help relief if you suffer from neck and shoulder tension or pain, and it also helps to relieve mild backache as well. Don't forget to consciously breathe, and also you do not have to go as deep into it as I'm going. Just listen to your body and do what feels right for you, and you will still experience all these incredible benefits. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this video helps you, and happy forward folding. Remember to let go anything that's stressing you. Let go of the resistance. Just exhale it all and know that you're exactly where you need to be. You're safe and protected. From my heart to yours, I shall see you guys in my next upload. Wishing you nothing but peace, love and light. Remember to breathe consciously.